Okay, so filled up at Shell, getting the air filled now. Here to buy some stuff from Decathlon. Well, that's the plan for today. Anyway, so that's my usual fuel station, one that you can trust. And thank you. Ashi, can you get down? எங்கம்மா இருக்கு மாஸ்க்? Ashi, do you have change? Okay, so that's what we got from Decathlon, and this is going to sit here comfortably. This is going to take both our luggage, mine as well as Ashi's, and this is strictly for shorter trips. I also have a rain cover for this, so it's a done and dusted deal. I don't have to carry my saddlebags and mount them and dismount them every single time. Rather, this one bag is going to do it for us. 2500, partly water resistant, partly waterproof, and of course you can carry it as a backpack. So Ashi, will you just wear it as a backpack, both your arms? Yep, so that's the backpack. One rucksack, you can't call it a rucksack, but still, all said and done, it's still a nice wide bag that sits comfortably on the back. Yep, thank you, Ashi. So that's what we got from this giant store. I think this is like the biggest outlet in South India. I haven't seen a bigger Decathlon anywhere in South India in terms of square foot space. This is by far the biggest. So if you guys live in Chennai and if you have not yet paid this store a visit, I highly recommend that you do so. Okay, so that's how the new bag looks, fully loaded. This can definitely take 2 people's luggage. There's no doubts about that. And that is for a short trip. I'm talking about trips which last not more than 3 days. So it's destination 1 and at the most destination 2. And just look at that. I mean, I am totally sold. I love the products in Decathlon is because of the design factor as well. Quite versatile. They aren't very how do I say, product specific designs. There's a lot of end uses for each of their products. The good example would be this is a hunter's tool pouch, and for that matter this from 3 years ago, this too is a hunter's tool pouch, or all sorts of things which are quite versatile, and you can come up with the end use for those products. So this is the top side of it, which has the straps for the back. And the good thing about this particular bag is the zipper is here. So the zipper rests on your spine, and that would definitely mean that it's not going to be an easy affair for someone to get behind you and open the bag and pull things out. So that way, if you were to look at it, it's a wonderful design. It says duffel 50 liter, so 50 liters is the capacity, but any which ways I believe that this can be extended. And that's the side of the bag. This is how it looks. Suits the motorcycle as well in terms of the colorway. I wanted something in black and gray, and there you go, I got it. And this is the back side, which is not waterproof. So I do have a solution for this. I have a rain cover, and there you go. This I believe is a 35 to 50 liter waterproof cover, and this does the job really well. I got the entire bag wrapped in the waterproof cover, and so that's the end of it. No more worries. I'll put this on the motorcycle, run my straps around, and then show you the rest of it. So that is how the tail bag is mounted on the bike, and because it's a duffel, it can sit pretty comfortably, no problems at all. I have a tail rack for the top case or the top box, and this is only as a replacement for the top box. This will take both our luggage and will sit there comfortably. The straps that you see here are from the brand Enduristan, and these are called rock straps. They offer excellent grip over a wider surface, unlike the usual bungee cords, which are round in nature. These are flat. So another advantage of flat is it can generate more tension to wherever it grips. This is how the bag sits on the motorcycle. Pretty comfortable, pretty easy. The thing about rock straps is they'll hold the luggage without a single complaint. I have tried and tested them on all sorts of trips, and these things will just sit there without any complaints for as long as the motorcycle is on the road. So you needn't worry about that. Of course, there are various ways of mounting it, securing it in a better way, but this is all it takes. This is all there is to it. There's nothing more to it. Just run the straps and then fasten them onto the motorcycle. And so that's how the motorcycle looks, or the bag looks on the motorcycle. And from the back. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, kindly do drop in at Decathlon and check this particular bag out. This is not the 55 to 70 liter, and this is not the 70 to 90 liter. There are two models which are far bigger than this. This is the 50 liter. This is not the expandable one. This is a fixed size. There are two other models that resemble the same design, which are expandable, but this one is not. It's a standard 50 liter bag. So give it a try. If you like it, get it onto your motorcycle, and this looks great with the black motorcycle. So that's that for today. If you like the product, and this is not more like a review because I haven't put it to the test, but I know these things last a lifetime, and there's nothing for me to worry. It sits there rock solid with my laptop in it. So that's the start and that's the end of the worries. Okay, so see you guys on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.